As a low-cost technique for business growth, affiliate marketing has progressively grown in popularity over time. 4 out of 5 brands use affiliate programs in some capacity as part of their marketing efforts today. This marketing method, in particular for small businesses, helps companies to build brand awareness and raise sales with little expense and effort. Due to its pay-per-transaction model, it enables companies to lower advertising expenses while expanding their market reach. Businesses use software and solutions to increase the effectiveness and efficiency of the affiliate marketing process. Here are some of the top affiliate marketing websites that may help you get started with your affiliate marketing campaigns if you are one of the few firms still without an affiliate program. 1. Refersion. Refersion is made for companies that want to use affiliate, ambassador, and influencer partnerships to boost e-commerce growth. By using digital technologies, data analytics, and automated workflows, it streamlines the influencer and affiliate marketing process. Refersion gives you access to an all-in-one platform that lets you handle everything from onboarding your affiliates to paying commissions. In a single user-friendly interface, recruit affiliates, establish commission schemes, monitor performance, provide reports, and handle payments. Integrate your e-commerce platform with external platforms like Shopify, BigCommerce, Magento, and WooCommerce for real-time sales tracking and increased business productivity. Refersion's custom affiliate site is one of its best features. Each of your affiliates has access to a dashboard where they can keep tabs on their activities, track commissions, and request payouts. Due to this, Refersion is among the top websites for businesses and their affiliates to use for affiliate marketing. 2. Tapfiliate. Tapfiliate is a full-featured affiliate marketing tool that helps companies of all sizes to find affiliates, monitor their progress, and gather data to increase sales. Tapfiliate offers flexibility and scalability in administering your own affiliate marketing program, regardless of whether you are a freelancer developing a personal brand, a huge company managing numerous brands, or anywhere in between. Its flexible software is simple to configure for usage with your website. Over 30 platforms, including Shopify, Zapier, and WooCommerce, are effortlessly integrated. You may also use it to create special codes and eye-catching tracking links for your affiliates. 3. Post Affiliate Pro. Among the top choices for many startups and businesses is Post Affiliate Pro. For small businesses looking to build their businesses through affiliate marketing, its scalability makes it enticing. Post Affiliate Pro gives companies the ability to manage every aspect of their affiliate program, like the majority of other affiliate marketing websites do. It aids in affiliate management, performance monitoring, and the development of marketing collateral. Its ability to integrate with almost all platforms and apps sets it apart from competitors. More than 170 integrations are supported, including well-known e-commerce platforms like Shopify, Magento, OpenCart, and 3Cart. 4. Affise. Affise is a cutting-edge system that gives companies the ability to automate and expand their affiliate marketing initiatives. The platform has several options and resources for setting up and running affiliate networks. It allows for customizable payouts in multiple currencies, third-party integrations, and fraud prevention. You may quickly set up and customize dashboards using its user-friendly interface to better manage affiliates and advertisers' operations. Analyze performance statistics from over 50 data breakdowns and performance reports. Utilize advanced features like AI smart links, smart targeting, CR optimization, and more to optimize your campaigns. Greatest importantly, you can experiment with an infinite number of campaigns to determine which ones generate the most income. 5. Tune. From its extensive selection of cutting-edge automation tools, you can create your own set of tools. Gain seamless and quick onboarding, hassle-free payout processing, and real-time reporting with useful insights. Use one agile platform to manage all aspects of your partnership program. 6. Everflow. With Everflow, go beyond affiliate marketing. Manage all of your clients and relationship kinds from in one platform. Everflow's automated tools and effective integrations streamline partnership administration. Instant cart setups, international payments, scheduled reporting, event tracking, and conversion tracking are all made possible. It makes use of data analytics to provide variance reports and deliver in-depth insights. With automatic fraud detection and coupon theft prevention, it also boosts security. With Everflow, you can manage your partnership program at scale regardless of whether you are a brand, agency, or ad network.